Hi, in this video we are going to see a very good news to all PhD aspirants, and here there is All India PhD entrance test from the 9 central universities, 6 state universities and 8 NIT colleges guys. So really this video will be all in one package to the PhD aspirants. Okay, total huge number of vacancies, PhD vacancies are there from the multiple departments and from the multiple government colleges or the universities, and eligibility is the PG or the UGs in it, and the fellowships are also available here. So starting from 20,000 or 15,000 to up to 40,000, or else while coming to the PMRF up to 80,000 also the fellowships are available as per the university or the colleges wise guys. And please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities, and to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. While coming to the present content of the video, so from the Still Outlook website, here we got this notification guys. So total there are 9 central universities and 6 state universities and 8 NITs announcing the, already announced the PhD admission for the 2021 to 22. So it will be the all-in-one package to the candidates who are looking for the PhD admission guys. And in this video I am going to show you the list of the universities. Okay, and if you want to get the in details regarding that one, then you may check in the official website of this corresponding universities guys. But because in one video we can't able to give the complete details regarding the 9, 6 and 8 colleges, 8 government colleges here. Fine. So that's why here I will show you the list of the universities or the colleges as well as the last dates also. And if you want to get the in details regarding that one, you may check in the official website. So coming to the Shivaji University, Kolhapur, 235 PhD vacant seats are there. 8th July is the last date. And next one is Ram University of Science and Technology, Sonpet, 88 PhD seats. 8th July is the last date. And Netaji Subhash University of Technology, 233 PhD seats. 18th July is the last date. And University of Budwan, 260 PhD seats. 12th July is the last date. And Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University, New Delhi, 15th July is the last date. And Sri Mata Vaishno Devi University, Katra, 10th July is the last date. And coming to the central universities where PhD admission is open right now. So whatever the above universities we saw, all these are the state universities guys. Okay, total 6 state universities you may observe here. And coming to the list of central universities, first one is University of Hyderabad, 12th July. Next, Maulana Azad National Urdu University, 12th July. And Rajiv Gandhi University, Itanagar, 13th June. Mizoram University, 12th July. Sikkim University, 1st July. And Central Sanskrit University, South Asian University, Nalanda University and Jawaharlal Nehru University. So regarding these ones, the last date is not mentioned, and while coming to the JNU, we did not get the online application right now. Okay, we are just waiting for the online application in the official website of National Testing Agency. And coming to the NITs where PhD admissions opened, NIT Srinagar 21st July, Warangal 17th July, Patna 22nd July, Arunachal 24th July, and Surathkal 15th July, Trichy 9th July, and Manipur 12th July, and Nagaland 31st July. Fine. So these are all the different universities as well as the NIT colleges guys, okay, where the PhD admission is open. So whatever the college you nearest college, okay, and just check out the official website of this one. Whichever the college you interested and whichever the college nearest to you. So based upon all these parameters, select any one of this college and then go to the official website of this one. Okay, then check out the remaining details regarding the subjects, whether the stipend is allowed, fellowship is providing or not. If the fellowship is provided, it is only to the UGC NET candidates or else the PG candidates. Okay, just check down all these things. And here the in brief details are provided. So coming to the NIT Srinagar, it is providing the institute fellowship guys. And NIT Warangal also providing the institute fellowship and the full-time as well as the part-time programs. And the fellowships you will get from the institute side as well as the MHRD. Okay, and category wise the reservations on overall available seats are there. And coming to the NIT Rourkela also providing the institute fellowship. And coming to the Patna, Total 56 seats are there, and they are providing the online interview. Okay, here the admission to PhD full-time or part-time for June to December 2021 semester, and full-time PhD candidates are going to get the scholarship funded by the NIT partner. Selection procedure is based upon the academic weightage and performance in interview, so there is no written test here. Admission is strictly based on merit, subject to verification of documents and the original certificate. So total full-time PhD with scholarship, total 56 seats are there. And while coming to the NIT Arunachal Pradesh, so here it is institute fellowship is available for the regular PhD scholars, and the types of admission: part-time, project, and self-sponsored. And coming to the NIT Surathkal, total 140 seats with institute fellowship. Okay, and application fee is 1000 rupees. And while coming to the NIT Trichy, announced PhD admission with institute fellowship, total 146 PhD seats are there from the total 17 departments, and 146 are full stipend and full-time stipend category, and the application fee is 500 and 200 for the SC, ST and PWD candidates. Coming to the NIT Manipur, it is also providing the institute fellowship. The financial assistance is provided, okay, to the regular students who qualified the NET or GATE or also equivalent of that one. And coming to the NIT Jamshedpur, total 69 PhD seats with fellowships is available. So the different types of PhD admissions are provided here. And coming to the NIT Nagaland, okay, so here the last date is 31st July. And University of Hyderabad, admissions are opened for the MSc, MTech, MBA, MA, MPhil and PhD integrated MSc PhD programs. And coming to the Maulana Azad National Urdu University, okay, admission is happening through the entrance test, and you may check down the different subjects here. Next one is Rajiv Gandhi Aitanagar announcing the admissions for PhD, postgraduate and undergraduate programs through the entrance mode only. Next one is Mizoram University. So the last date for this one is 20th July. So here the UG, PG and PhD admission programs are allowed now. And coming to the Jamia Millia Islamia University, UG, PG, BTech and PG diploma programs are available. And coming to the JNU, we are just waiting for the NTA announcement, okay, regarding the entrance test for the PhD program from the JNU. And Sikkim University is also announcing the UG, PG and PhD. The last date is 31st July. And Central Sanskrit University, it is offering the different following test, guys. So SSET, SAET and VVET. And while coming to the South Asian University, so the university offers the master and PhD level programs in biotech, computer, economics, international relations, legal studies, mathematics and sociology. Next one is Nalanda University, and Nalanda University is offering the candidates who clear the TOEFL, IELTS. Okay, for these candidates also it is providing the benefit in the selection of a PhD admission. And Aligarh Muslim University and Shivaji University Kolhapur, total 235 PhD vacant seats are there. And coming to the Netaji Subhash University of Technology, total 233, and here the online test will be provided, and university fellowships are available. Next, University of Burdwan, 260 seats for PhD, okay, and key dates are provided here. And next one is Choturam University of Science and Technology, okay, like that the Guru Gobind University and Sri Mata Vaishnav University. Fine, so total these are the details, guys. And you may go through the official website of this each and every individual university if you want to get the more details very clearly, guys. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the PhD admissions in the government colleges. It will be very much helpful to them. To get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET means. commerce and a general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science, and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.